Let's make Jamaican cornmeal pudding. First, sieve the cornmeal to remove any lumps for a smoother texture and better result. Next, sieve the flour to remove any lumps. Now, add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of allspice, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now, mix well, combining all the dry ingredients. For the best flavor, use fresh coconut, but canned coconut works too. I'll be blending my coconut chunks with hot and cold water. You can also use a grater to grate your coconut, the traditional method I grew up seeing people use. Strain the coconut milk, and now let's prepare the wet ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of rose water, quarter cup of melted butter, a quarter cup of sugar, canned coconut for extra richness, grated coconut, and ginger. Remember to mix well. Now gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing well until everything is fully combined. Grease your baking pans and pour in the mixture. I'm making 2 cornmeal puddings today. Pour the mixture, leaving a little space at the top of the pan. Remember to bake your cornmeal pudding at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, remove the pudding from the oven. Pour the remaining coconut liquid over the top and return it to the oven for about 25 more minutes. This step is very important. Remember the leftover coconut liquid? Simmer it over low heat with sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice. This is the mixture I'll pour over the pudding after it comes out of the oven. Remember, this step is very important. After baking the pudding for 50 minutes, pour the coconut mixture over the top and return it to the oven for about 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Now my pudding has cooled and it is out of the oven. Let's cut a slice and see how it looks. This is what your Jamaican cornmeal pudding should look like. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video. Thanks for your support, and see you in my next video. Bye, guys!